Are you looking for a coffee maker that can make your mornings perfect? In today's video, I'll review the Cuisinart Coffee Maker DCC-3200P1, a 14-cup machine with brew strength control and many other amazing features. Let's explore why this could be the ideal addition to your kitchen. Main review. First look, design and build. This coffee maker is crafted with stainless steel, giving it a premium and durable look. Its 14-cup glass carafe is perfect for family breakfasts or office meetings. Features. 1. Brew strength control. If you prefer strong coffee, this feature is perfect for you. It allows you to control the flavor of your coffee. 2. 1 to 4 cup setting. Ideal for small batches when you only need a little coffee. 3. Fully automatic. It is 24-hour programmable, meaning you can set it at night and wake up to fresh coffee in the morning. The auto shut-off feature makes it safe and energy efficient. 4. Self-cleaning mode. The machine cleans itself effortlessly, saving you time and effort. How to use. First, add your favorite coffee grounds to the machine. Fill the reservoir with the required amount of water. Select the brew strength and cup setting. Press the Brew button and your coffee will be ready in minutes. Amazon Reviews Overview. Positive feedback. Many users praise the brew strength control feature as being spot on. The self-cleaning and programmable options are widely appreciated. Negative feedback. Some users mentioned that the glass carafe is slightly fragile, so it needs careful handling. A few felt the price is slightly higher compared to other models. Verdict. In my opinion, this coffee maker is worth its price. If you are looking for a durable, smart, and efficient coffee maker, this is an excellent choice. This was a detailed review of the Cuisinart Coffee Maker DCC-3200P1. It could be your perfect companion to elevate your coffee experience. If you're interested in purchasing it, don't forget to click the link below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more exciting product reviews. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.